How do I enable crossplay between PC and PS4 in Minecraft?
Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts! In this video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of crossplay between PC and PS4 in Minecraft. Have you ever wanted to play with your friends who are on a different platform? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you how to enable crossplay between PC and PS4 in just a few simple steps. So let's get started.
Checking compatibility.
Before we dive into the setup process, it's important to ensure that your version of Minecraft on both PC and PS4 supports crossplay. Crossplay is available in the Bedrock edition of Minecraft, which is the version used on PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and Windows 10. If you have the Java edition of Minecraft on PC, crossplay is unfortunately not supported. However, if you have the Bedrock edition on PC, which is available through the Microsoft Store or the Minecraft website, you're good to go.
Creating a Microsoft account.
To enable crossplay between PC and PS4, you'll need to create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. This account will serve as your universal login across different platforms, including PC and PS4. You can create a Microsoft account for free by visiting the Microsoft website. Once you have your Microsoft account set up, you're one step closer to enjoying crossplay in Minecraft.
Linking Microsoft account on PS4.
Now that you have your Microsoft account, it's time to link it to your PS4. Follow these steps. 1. Launch Minecraft on your PS4. 2. On the main menu, select Sign in with a Microsoft account. 3. You'll be presented with a unique code and a link to visit on your PC. 4. Take note of the unique code displayed on your PS4 screen. 5. Grab your PC and open a web browser. 6. Visit the provided link and enter the unique code when prompted. 7. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. 8. After successful sign-in, you'll receive a notification on your PS4 confirming the account link. Congratulations! Your Microsoft account is now linked to your PS4, allowing you to play with friends on PC and other platforms.
Inviting and joining friends.
Now that you have crossplay enabled, it's time to invite and join your friends on different platforms. Here's how. 1. Launch Minecraft on your PC or PS4. 2. Ensure that you and your friends are using the same version of Minecraft, Bedrock Edition. 3. Create a new world or load an existing one. 4. In the game menu, select Play and choose your world. 5. To invite friends to your world, select Invite to Game and choose the friends you want to invite from your friend list. 6. If you want to join a friend's world, ask them to send you an invite through the game's invite system. 7. Accept the invite, and you'll be transported to your friend's world, regardless of whether they're on PC or PS4. That's it. You can now enjoy playing Minecraft with friends on PC and PS4, building and exploring together in the blocky universe. And there you have it. Enabling crossplay between PC and PS4 in Minecraft is a fantastic way to connect with friends, regardless of the platform they're on. By following the steps we covered today, you've unlocked a world of possibilities and adventures. Now go out there, collaborate, and have an amazing time playing Minecraft together.